to the create tab, then take it. So this is
Hey
in
guys,
our
welcome to my
like
channel.
datasheet
So
view.
this is Shelly Cashman Access
Then rename the default
365 module
primary
2 SAM
key
project
ID
8.
field as the
Connect to
company ID.
marketing group
Okay.
creating queries.
So here
Okay, so this is our instruction
we
file
we
and
will
this is our
rename.
start
So
file
here
where
name
we
and
will do the
caption.
instructions.
So here
Now
we
let's
will change it to
move on to the
company
project steps.
ID.
Connect to Marketing
Click
Group
OK.
is a national company that provides
And
marketing
keep it as the
services such
primary
as
key with the
content,
auto number
contract
data type.
research,
Our
brand
data type
building,
is auto
and
number. Okay.
merchandising to retail stores. As a sales analyst, you
Now
need to query the database
add
to
a new
help
field
make
with the name
decisions and to
company
answer
name.
questions from
Okay.
other
And short
employees.
text data type.
Create a query based on the contacts table in Query
So
Design View with
here
the
click
following
to
options
add.
to list contacts and their birth dates.
Um,
Add the
Here
contact ID, first name, last
short
name, and
text.
date of birth fields
The field
to the
name will
design
be
grid in that order. Sort the records in
one
ascending
second.
order by last name. Then save the
It's
query using contact
company
last
name.
name sorted as
Okay.
the name. Open the query in the datasheet view, then close it,
Company.
saving if necessary.
One second.
Okay, so
Company
create a
name and
query
short
based
text
on
data type.
context table in
Okay.
Query Design.
Yeah.
Go to the Create tab, then
Here
Query Design
you
View.
can see name and caption. Name is
Then we
company
will
name
select
and data
the
type is
table
short text.
contacts. It's contact.
Okay, then add a new field
Yeah.
with the name
So
retail
we will
stores
select the context table here.
and the number data type.
Okay, then we will
Here click to add
add the contact
number data type.
ID,
Wait,
first name, last name, and date of birth
I think I
fields
have
to the
done something
design
wrong
grid.
here. Okay, first of
Contact
all, we will
ID,
change the name. It's
double tap on
retail
contact ID,
stores.
double tap on first name, double tap on last name,
Okay,
and date of birth.
and the
Double
data
tap
type
on
will be number.
date of
Number
birth.
data type. Okay.
Okay.
Then
Now
save the table using companies
sort the
as the name.
records in ascending order by last name. Ascending order by
Here,
last
save.
name.
Then table name, companies, click
Then
OK.
save the query using contact last name
Now let's
sorted
move
as
on to
the
our
name.
second instruction. With the companies table still open in datasheet
Right
view,
click on query
add the
1,
record
then save,
shown in
then
table 1.
contact last name
Resize the
sorted.
columns in the datasheet
Click
to
OK.
their best fit and then
Then
save
close
and
it,
close the
saving if
companies table.
necessary.
Okay, with the
Now we will
companies
close
table
it.
still open in
Now let's
datasheet
move
view.
on to our next instruction.
Okay,
Open
resize
the
the
account
columns in
billings query in
to their
design view
okay.
and make
So
the
first of
following
all, we will
changes to the query to select
add the
accounts
record
with
here.
monthly
Company
billing
name. Company
over
name is Diamond
$500.
Discount.
Delete the contact ID column from the design grid. Then add
Diamond
criteria to select
Discount.
only those
Okay.
records where the monthly
And
bill
then
field
retail stores
value is
18.
greater than
It's
500.
18.
Then save the changes to the account billings query. Open the
Then
query in
we
Datasheet
will
view, then close it,
change.
saving if
We will
necessary.
make them
Okay.
auto
Open
filled.
the account billings query in design view.
Yeah.
This one is our account billing query. We will open in design view.
Okay. Then we will
Account
save the
billings
changes
query.
and close the table. Here, save.
To
And
query
then
to
we will
select
close
account
it.
with monthly.
Okay.
Delete
Now
the
let's
contact
move on to
ID
our
column.
next instruction.
Contact
Create a
ID
new
column,
table in
this one.
design view to
So
store
here
the
right
account
click
data
and
for
then
connect to marketing
cut.
clients. Add a
Okay.
field with the name, account number,
Then
and the
add
short
criteria
text
to
data
select
type.
only those
Then
records where the
set
monthly bill
account number
field
as
value is
the
greater than
table's
500.
primary key. Then change
Monthly
the
bill
field size of the account number field to 6. Save the
greater
table with
than
the name accounts,
500.
but do not close it.
Okay.
Okay.
Now save the changes to the account
So
billings
here,
query. Right click and then save.
go to the create tab.
Then open the query in datasheet view, then close it, saving if
Go to the
necessary.
create tab. After
Open the
that,
query in datasheet
add
view.
in design view, table in design view.
Okay,
Table,
so there are
design
total
view.
8 records here.
Then add a
Save
field
it,
with the name,
close
account
it,
number,
and saving if necessary.
and the short
So we
text
will
data
close
type.
it. Now let's move on to our next instruction.
Account
Open
number
the
and short
high
text
bill
data
or
type.
contract query in design
Then
view
set
and
account
add
number as the
criteria to
table's
select
primary
only
key.
those records
Okay, so
where
here
the monthly
right click,
bill
then
field
make it
values are
primary
greater
key.
than 1000 or
Then
the contract total field values
change
are
the
greater
field
than
size of the account number
$2
field to
million.
6.
Save the changes to the query. Open the query in datasheet view. Confirm that 6 records appear in the
Then
high bill
save the
or
table with
contract
the name
query designs.
accounts,
Then
but do
close the
not close
query,
it.
saving if necessary. Open the high bill or contract query. High bill
accounts and then
or
click OK.
It's or and.
Now with the accounts
It's
table is
or.
still open in design view, add
High
a
bill or
second field
contract
to the table
query
with the
in
field
design.
named company ID and the number data type. Okay.
Then add criteria to select only those records where the
Company
monthly
ID.
bill field
1
values monthly bill field values
company ID
are greater than
and
1000
number data type.
okay, greater than 1000 or
Save
the
the
contract
table and
total
then
field
close it.
values
Okay,
contract
save the table
total field
and then
values
close it.
are
Okay, now
greater
the
than
next
2
instruction
million
is
dot.
open the
Okay.
contacts table in design view and then change the name of the field named first to first name and use last name.
Now
to
save the
change
changes
name
to
of
the
field
query.
named
Open the
last.
query in Datasheet
Okay.
View. Save
So
the
basically,
changes.
this is not a whole
Then
tutorial
open the
video.
query
This is just a
in
preview to
Datasheet
show
View.
you that if you
And there
want
will
any
be
kind
6
of help
records
in this
here.
assignment, I can
Okay.
definitely
Appear in the
help
high
you.
bill or contract
Here,
query results.
there are total
Then close
13
the query,
instructions
saving
in
if
this file,
necessary.
from which I
We
have
will close
already
it.
explained you.
Okay, now
I
let's
think
move
4
on to our next
instructions.
instruction. Open
And
the
now for the rest of the
ContactBirth
assignment, you
query
can
in
easily
design view
contact
and
me
make the following
on my
changes
WhatsApp
to
or
the
email,
query
whatever you prefer.
to
All the
list
contact details are
contacts
provided in the
with birth
description
dates
box.
before
You can
January
easily
1st,
contact me on my
1990.
WhatsApp or
Add the
email.
first name field
So
to the
all I
query
can say
design
is
grid. The
please
first name
contact
should
me and get
immediately
any type
follow
of
the
assignment help from
contact
there.
ID field.
In case
Then
any doubt,
add
you can ask me
criteria to
through comment
select
box.
only
So
those
thank you
records
for
where the
watching my
date
video.
of birth field value is less than 1/1/1990. Set the format to medium date for the date of birth field. Then set the caption to birth date for the date of birth field. And then save the changes to the contact birth query. Okay, so first of all, we will open the contact birth query in design view. Make the following changes. Okay. Add the first name field to the query design grid. First name field. Okay, so we will here double click on first name field. 1 second. Then the first name field should immediately follow the contact ID field. So we will drag it following the contact ID field. So the like format will be contact ID, first name, last name, date of birth. Now add criteria to select only those records where the date of birth field value is less than 1/1/1990. Date of birth field value is less than 1/1/1990. Okay. Set the format to medium date for the date of birth field. Here the format will be medium date. Then set the caption to birth date for the date of birth field. Then save the changes to the contact birth query. Save the changes. And then open the query in Datasheet View. Confirm that the results match figure 1. Then close it, saving if necessary. Okay. Datasheet View. And there are total 16 records here. Okay. You can match the figure also. Now we will close it. Okay. Now let's move on to our next instruction. Open the state city short query in design view and make the following changes to organize contacts first by state and then by cities within each state. Move the state field to the beginning of the design grid so that the order of the field in the grid is state, city, first name and last name. Then sort the records in descending order by the state field and in ascending order by city. Save the changes to the query, view the query in Datasheet View, then close it, saving if necessary. Okay. So basically,
This is not a complete tutorial video. There are total 20 instructions in this file, from which I have already explained you 4 instructions. This is like a preview video. This is not a full tutorial video. Now you can see that if you like, I can help you in this assignment like properly. So if you want any kind of help in this assignment, you can easily contact me on my WhatsApp or email, whatever you prefer. All the contact details are provided in the description box. So all I can say is contact me and get any type of assignment help from there. In case any doubt, you can ask me through comment box. So thank you for watching my video.